Next in CSS, in grid layout, we are going to see how to merge rows and columns. So this is our basic HTML code, and here I'm giving div with class container assigned to it in body section. And within this container div, we are going to div few more divs with class items assigned to it. So we have total designed 15. We have designed 15 more divs inside that container div. Save it, and here in head section, first of all, I'm removing all the margin and padding. Here we have to give style tag. Now I'm designing container class, and here I'm giving display to grid. Then grid template column. Grid template columns. Here I'm giving 20%. I'm going to design 5 columns of size 20% each. And next I'm giving is row gap of 5 pixel. Next we have to design item class, and here I'm giving background color to items is aqua. Margin is 5 pixel, and padding is 12 pixel. Save. So this is how right now our grid is looking. So we can remove this last so that it may become equal. So I have removed last item. So we have got 5 columns and 3 rows. Now I want to merge first 2 columns. So what I have to do here is, we can refer it by item name. So this is our item class, and first row is first child of that container. So first child, and here I want grid column start. Here I'm giving, I want to start it with column 1, and grid column, and here I'm giving 3. It doesn't mean that column 1, column 2, column 3. It refers to line number, lines. So save it, and so we can see that first 2 columns are merged. We have given grid column start as first, that is this first line, this first, the second, and up to third line. If instead of 3 I'm giving here 4, then it is going to merge first 3 columns. And here if I give 5, it is going to merge first 4 columns.